Man, that was a great sleep. Let's see how my YouTube video is doing. I mean, there's no way I get more recognition on this than my actual Roblox game projects. I mean, I spent actual money, time into mythical videos. So my last video, I asked you guys to drop your Roblox game ideas in the comments, and you delivered. Some of them were genuinely genius, and some of them were, you can make a game about watching paint dry. Every time I touch grass, the CERN fusion reactor collapses and explodes. I mean, like, why would I ever do this? It's not like it's a good idea or anything. So instead of just throwing these comments into ChatGPT and making it accept or deny your idea, I decided, you know what? I think I'm gonna make this process automatic. That's right. The moment any of you comment on this video, your comment will appear as accepted or denied in this game right here. This process was actually really simple. All I really had to do was use the AI pipeline from my last video and copy, paste. Just save myself another week of work. Hell yeah, brother. Hey, I know, that was a lot of genius work. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Hey, no need for the applause, no need for the applause. Hell yeah. Anyhow, now I just have to change the prompt into something like, Dear AI, I know we weren't on the best terms from last time. I kept batching you repeatedly, made you generate like 4 worlds, but I'm gonna make you do more work. No! So I now have this AI doing manual labor of taking a comment input and giving it an output, but how do I load it every time someone comments? Well, our general pipeline will be something like, player joins, send GET requests to my Python backend. Python backend does some oogly boogly code, and boom, it gets the YouTube comments, gets the AI service, says, hey, rate these comments, buddy. The AI service returns back a JSON structure with all the comments accepted or denied, and some roast comments, and boom, that's the whole game. Or so I thought. I didn't know it'd be this difficult to make up a simple pipeline. You know what? Gumbo went through it too. Look at him, just sitting there, processing and traumatized. Oh right, I forgot to introduce you to Gumbo. Gumbo is my Python backend that retrieves that GET request I sent earlier and sends it back later. Gumbo first needs to get the YouTube comments, so I first set up my YouTube API key by creating a project and where do I start? So after bonking my head a few times, I was able to create a project, and bam, now I can get a comment. Yeah baby. Now the fun part, roasting the comments. So I'm using OpenRouter to access my AI model. Think of it like a middleman that gives me access to a bunch of different AI models for cheap, or in my case, free. StepFlash 3.5, never heard of it? Don't care. It's free and it's about to be Gumbo's problem. So the prompt I gave it was something like, Dear AI, here's some more work, do it now. XOXO. And then I just dumped every single comment on it at once.
If you watched my last video, I also made it one big API scary call because it actually saves me the amount of requests I have per day.
And I can also scare Gumbo, and you know I hate that frog. Okay, so now Gumbo is cooked and ready. He's got the comments, he's got the roast, he's got the verdicts, and now I just need Roblox to actually talk to him. So again, we gotta use something called HTTP service. If you remember from my last video, basically it just connects us to HTTP requests to other servers. Roblox also limits them to specific servers, so we're gonna be using our local development server for now. So every time a player joins, Roblox pings Gumbo, and Gumbo returns the roasted comments as JSON, and then I just parse it and spawn them into the world. Now if you're wondering how I actually do this, every time there's a new JSON object, I just turn that into a comment, and then I just spawn a comment based on all the parameters within this JSON object. And look at that, look at them go. The AI saying your guys' idea sucks. Wait, is that my... Why am I also getting picked? Alright, moment of truth. We got real comments, we got real AI, and I think it's time for the roasting. So let's see what the AI thinks of your masterpieces. Guys, I swear it works. Guys, why is it so slow?
Watching paint dry, the game that makes Netflix look like a roller coaster.
Gumbo, that was cold. They didn't even get a warning.
A hallucination game where you go crazy. To reach a cloud, congrats, you've made Schizophrenia Simulator 3000.
Okay, whoever wrote this comment, I am so sorry. But also, you kind of deserve it.
Exploding benches. Did you confuse game design with a Michael Bay film directed by a squirrel?
Wait, how did this one get accepted, but not the other one? So yeah, that's the game. Your comments go in, Gumbo judges them, and the AI roasts them, and none of you are safe. If your idea got accepted, congrats. And if it got rejected, Gumbo says, touch some grass. That's a bar. Drop another idea in the comments right now. The game is live. Gumbo is watching, and he's not in a good mood. And just remember, guys, this is all a joke. So, stay hydrated, touch some grass, and Cornelius is always watching your app. Poll. What did you think I was gonna say?